सारखी करते ती ओके आणि ही सांगोल सारखे करपाक the estimated cost is around 3 to 4 lakhs. If you can just make it little wider, keep it on this side and this side.
You have launched a few works. So can you tell us about that?
Yes, I think I'm very excited because once again we have started with our developmental works, and we have started today with the widening and hot mixing of Riampaz Road. Actually, that road was asphalted during the last tenure. And now the same road is going to be widened wherever possible, and it's going to be hot mixed, okay? And the second small work that we have taken up is the repair of this culvert, okay? Now this culvert, as you can see, is in a dilapidated condition, and it will be repaired so that the water of the village that comes down, especially during the monsoons, will flow smoothly without causing any problems to the houses around. Now, the total cost for these two works is 36 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. So, it comes to almost 40 lakhs for these two works. And our contractor is Mr. Markus Faria, and the engineer, PWD engineer, who will be supervising the works is Mr. P.N. Naik. Okay? In fact, it gives me a lot of pleasure to congratulate all the people of this area, because this is their area and they are the ones who are going to benefit, and this is specifically done to make life better and easier for the people of this area. So I request our contractor, as usual, to do a good job. He's always, whatever work he has taken up for us, he has always done it to perfection. And I also want to tell our engineer, Mr. P.N. Naik, that together, the two of them will complete this work in due time. Thank you everyone for being present.